Scott Himelstein with the Scott Himelstein Group, and today we're here at our seller seminar at New American Funding in Porter Ranch. And we're covering today such topics as what's happening in today's current real estate market so sellers don't have to worry what's actually going to happen when they put their home on the market. We're covering topics such as what the sellers need to do to get their home ready to sell, to get top dollar, and what the process is from beginning to end.
I thought the seminar was terrific. I had a lot of questions at the end. They were able to answer all those questions, and most of the questions I would have had were already answered in the seminar itself. It answered questions I didn't even know I was going to have, too. So it was a wonderful seminar. Thanks, Scott.
I like information. This was perfect for that. I like it. It gives us a better idea of what we have to start doing in the next year or two.
You did a great job, Scott. I thought that you did a wonderful job presenting all of the information that any seller would need to put the house on the market. I thought you did a wonderful job presenting lots of information that sellers would want to know to put their houses on the market.